Have you ever wondered how your chicken popcorn or your favorite chicken franks was made? Because in today's video, I'm going to bring you to the producer of premium halal meat, poultry and fish products in the Middle East, the Khazzan Meat Factory in Kuwait. This company manufactures over 200 items including frozen burgers, sausages, deli meats, and tomato paste. Khazzan products is highly well known across the GCC country and are widely available at local cooperatives and hypermarkets. Let me tell you a short brief about this company. The company's late founder, Jassim Muhammad Ali Al-Wazan, built the Mizan Group legacy in 1940s. He started from basic household necessities such as cans and preserved food products, and in 1960s, Al-Wazan's business ventured into food manufacturing. At this time, I'm super excited wearing my PPE as we're going to witness a famous food product and how it's being made. Of course, a proper sanitation before entering a food factory. It involves a strict step-by-step changing and washing sequence. Workers must remove personal items, change into clean factory-issued uniforms, wash and sanitize hands, and disinfect. And also a footwear to prevent biological or physical contamination before stepping onto the production floor. And now I'm ready, let's move on. This entrance has no turning back, so once you enter, you have to go to the other side for the exit. As we enter, our first stop is the spices room. This area where raw herbs, spices, and flavorings are stored. They measured and blended, and it is the critical hub where the precise recipes and flavor profiles for food products. This ensures that every single batch of a food product tastes exactly the same. Color coding knives in a food factory prevents cross-contamination and the spread of foodborne pathogens. And I saw a giant ice machine for production efficiency. The second stop is where we actually see the slicing and dicing of this 100% chicken breast. The meat arrives here where each batch is quality checked to make sure it's up to standard. Then it will go straight to the blenders to make sure everything sticks together and gets the ideal temperature and acts as a natural binding process. The product will lift up using the huge machine and transfer to another huge machine for molding. And this is the magic happens. As you can see, it travels through the small, narrow pipe and turns out to be a sausage. And next, they will hang it to these hanging steel bars along with the other batch and bring it to the oven. These walk-in units combine baking, steaming, and smoking functions, and this is essential in a food factory for mass cooking, baking, and moisture control. Tons and tons of chicken breast arrives here and go to initial grinding process using powerful mechanical grinders, each capable of processing over tons of meat per hour. After that, it will bring to a huge machine used to mix spices and seasonings. And now the exciting part has begun. The conveyor presses the meat mixture into preset mold. Next, the product travels via chilled conveyors, pass through a curtain liquid butter, followed by a golden breadcrumbs to achieve the unmistakable crunch. And a team of quality control specialists still monitors each and every single piece to ensure the coating sticks correctly. Next, and the product traveled to the pre-cooked machinery straight to the flash freezer to seal the iconic flavor and the final stage. And now this conveyor drops a product into a bucket to get the equal target weight. And it drops to a plastic bag and seal it, drops again to the conveyor and pass through the X-ray scanner. To ensure that there is no foreign materials included, once it passed, it will go to the packaging team, pass it to another machine to seal it one more time, and place it into a large box or carton, seal it for one more time, take the standard weight, and will be ready to deliver to the warehouse. Chicken burgers and chicken nuggets share nearly identical production process in food manufacturing facilities. Both are made by grinding, seasoning, and reforming uniform shapes, which are then passed through in continuous lines. And now we're entering to this high-risk entrance. In a factory, this is more strictly controlled transition zone. Basically, from low-risk earlier, now this is the high-risk production zones, where ready-to-eat food are processed, like your favorite mortadella, cocktail sausages, and turkey hams. The firm turkey ham logs are loaded onto automatic driven-in feed conveyors or gravity feed carriages, ensuring clean uniform cuts without tearing or smearing the meat structure. And the team will stack up or shingled for vacuum-sealed packaging. And next, it will pass through the industrial labeling machine or labeler. This print and apply labelers to accurately attach barcode and ingredient stickers. Such fascinating, isn't it? And now the final product. We got this delicious extra smoked turkey. What about this little cocktail sausage? The cocktail is loaded into a packaging conveyor and using a vacuum sealer to extract the air. And now ready to sell to your favorite supermarkets. Every batch is subject to testing and pulled for screening and X-ray scanners. The machines is equipped with metal detectors and scanners, inspect for fragments or any other material to ensure consumer safety and company's integrity. And now let's move in the final stage. All the finished products will keep in a huge walk-in chillers. These cold storage are essential for extending shelf life, preventing bacterial growth, and complying with strict safety standards. And that's all. I hope you enjoyed the video. So guys, where are we going next? Thank you for watching and follow for more.